Do you know that our spine is one of the most strongest structure which is present in our human body? It is well supported by the muscles and the ligaments. But despite of it being the strongest structure, still so many people in today's time suffer from this issue of the back health. We consider that we have advanced in every aspect of our life. When we talk about the food, the availability of food, we have so much of variety of food which is available to us today. When we talk about the medical facilities, we have accessibility and availability of the super specialized doctors and the medical facilities which are available at our disposal today. But when we come and consider about our overall health aspect. So, do you think that our health has also improvised and evolved as the things outside have evolved and improved? The probable answer is no. So, in today's video, I'm going to share with you about 7 ways. You're going to learn the 7 ways how you can keep your spine healthy. My name is Anshuman Khullar, and I'm a back healing expert. I'm on a mission to help 100,000 working professionals to get rid of their back issues in a natural and powerful way. So, now let's go in the mind map and let's see what are these 7 tips which can really help us for having a healthy back. So the first tip is don't bend to lift weight. Often when we have to lift weights, we have this tendency that we bend forward to lift the weight. But what is the correct way of lifting any weight? It is to squat, putting the weight on your legs. And I have a very beautiful video to illustrate this same. You can just watch this video that how what is the mechanism, what is the design, how the body is designed, just like any other thing. So this video gives you that glimpse how you should be lifting the weight. That's the right way so that you don't hurt your back. Yeah, so don't do this video says, but how you should be doing it, lifting it with the putting the weight on the legs. Yeah, so it's one of the very beautiful illustrations I came across. Wanted to share with you all to make you clarification on how you should be lifting your weight when you are doing any kind of work. Okay. So now after this, the second is motion is lotion for spine. So movement is very, very essential and critical aspect if you want to maintain a good health. And the studies have found this very interesting fact I want to share with you that if you run for 6 miles, your brain produces opioids equivalent to 10 mg morphine. That's a painkiller. So your brain has that capacity to really secrete those chemicals naturally if you start moving your body appropriately, and you can really overcome any aches and pains which you are suffering in your day-to-day life. Yeah. So that's another very, very powerful thing. Move as much as you can. Find out all the ways and reasons to move in everyday life. If you want to have a healthy back and overall improvement in your health. And the third is regular exercise. A lot of study has happened around this topic, and it has been found out that if you exercise, it really improves your circulation throughout the body of the blood, and as a result of it, your oxygen circulation, nutrient circulation, everything improves. So exercise is the medicine, and it's your choice. You want to have this as a medicine, or you want to have those synthetic chemicals which are available in order to heal and maintain your good life. Yeah. So the fourth one is maintaining a BMI. Right body mass index has to be maintained. Today the world is suffering from obesity. never like before. People in today's time, they are suffering from this issue, and this is sister of all the other NCDs, hypertension, back pain, you can say any NCD, non-communicable disease, the origin, it is related closely to the obesity. Yeah. So avoid unnecessary weight on your back. Maintain the right amount of body weight. And how you can calculate that right, your weight is correct or not, I have given a link in the description. That's a BMI calculator. And it is said that your BMI should not be less than 18.5 and should not be more than 23.9. It should be between this range. If it is less than the range, you are underweight. If it is more than the range, you are overweight. So you should maintain your weight of the body and your BMI in the respective segment. You can find the link in the description. The fourth one is sleep. Sorry, the fifth one is sleep. So sleep is one of the best ways by which body heals itself every day. That is the time when body repairs, regenerates, and it really is the most essential time. So having a right sleep regime is very, very essential if you really want to have a healthy back, if you really want to have a happy life and a healthy life. So do not cut corners on sleeping. It is essential that 7 hours of sleep has to be done by a average individual in every day's time. Yeah, so you have to ensure that you do this much every single day without cutting corners. We tend to get so much busy in today's time, and we tend to miss on those sleeping cycles. We think, okay, let's miss it today and we will compensate it. The work is important. Yes, everything is important, but sleep is the most essential time which is required by your body if you want the body should repair itself regularly. And then the sixth one is being mindful. So many a times, this question people ask me when they come to me for uh, getting their back issues fixed, that how much time it will take for me to get rid of the back issue. My answer to all those people is that much time till the time you become mindful of all the activities which you do in your day to day life. Every thought you make, every word you speak, and every action you take. You should be mindful of all these things if you really want to have a healthy back. Yeah. So, and it is a practice, it is not something which you really have to struggle with it. You just need to be aware about it. You just need to, have that centeredness. Most of the times we are running in our life, and we ignore every aspect, but being mindful while you are doing all the things in your everyday life. And the last and the most powerful aspect without which you cannot really heal is the meditation. It is the deepest way of relaxation, and the relaxation is the only way by which your body can really heal itself. There is no other way. All the things are kept aside. So I hope all these 7 tips you have penned down, and you will start exercising them from today in your everyday life. So if you really wish to have a healthy back, I have shared a very beautiful resource. You can download that resource and you can start implementing the tips. They are very, very, simple techniques which I have shared in that resource, and along with that, the tips which I have shared in this video. So include all this in your day-to-day life and take your back health to the next level. I wish you all a healthy back and a happy life. If you loved the video, like and subscribe to the channel so that you are notified of such amazing content which I post regularly. in order to help you in your mission to have a healthy body. See you in next video.